Hello YouTube, this is Mike again, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this is for the RC enthusiast guys out there. I bought me a new charger, a new small charger here. It's the Q200 NEO charger from SKYRC. I decided to go with SKYRC because of I have one of their discharger machines and it works real good. I really enjoy it. It's a fun tool to work with. And the reason I bought this, as you guys probably seen my older video, I have this big monster setup with two 308i chargers and a big case like a Pelican case. And I just needed something small like this, something that I'm probably not going to be charging over 1.5 amps. The reason I bought it is because for these, I've been flying these little helicopters like this, the Goose Guy, little Goose Guy, and the small 200 logo. I've been flying these little helicopters a lot, and they take small batteries. Like the Goose Guy, it's only takes a 2-cell 300 milliamp, and the logo only it's a small 3-cell 750 milliamp. So I did need a big charger, and I wanted this for when I travel. If I travel somewhere and I want to take one of these little helicopters, I can just take it on the go. And so that was part of it. That was the main reason why I decided to get it. Let me unbox this so you guys can get a look at it. Has some instructions here. This is the cable for it. Now it's DC and AC, and let me show you the charger here. There's the charger. Now it's AC and DC, and on AC it charges at 200 amps. Now, this charger has 4 ports, 1 on each side and 2 in the front. So at that 200 amps, if you're charging on all 4 ports, you need to break that up. The charger will break it up for you. It will break the 200 up into 4, so it'd be more like 50 amps per port. And for DC, 400 watts. So you would break that up into 4. So that'd be like 100 per. But the thing is, I'm not going to be using a whole lot of power for this. I just want to charge these little bitty batteries. And like something like this, I can just throw in my suitcase and go. I took a trip recently and I wanted to take a charger, but I have an old little charger. It's probably about 20 years old, and I just wanted something with new technology, nice balancing. They do have a phone app for this where you can control this from your phone, which is pretty cool. But controlling it from your phone, you really don't want to leave LiPo batteries, so you can use it while you're in the room with the batteries, but I wouldn't leave and go anywhere because you could burn your house down charging LiPo batteries. I know some guys that they burnt down their garages charging LiPo batteries. Yeah, so you have to be very careful with LiPo batteries. Well, let me get this plugged up so you guys I'm going to show you guys how it works. Okay, guys, one thing I wanted to show you was the ports. This is a XT60 port. Here's the balance port. And there's 4 of them, you know, 1 on each side, 2 in the front. Here's a USB-C port. You can charge your phone. Yeah. And here's the DC port. And here's the AC port. Yeah. So let me plug this. Well, before I plug it up, let me show you guys here. I bought this on Amazon. This is a XT60 adapter to a XT30. That's what I'm using to charge the logo battery. And I just plug it in here like this. And then plug the logo battery in as you see. And then I plug it into the balance port. So, and then I bought these connectors for the 2-cell battery. It's a XT60, and then it plugs into the balance port, and then you just use the leads that come off the 2-cell into here, and that's how you get your charging. Let me plug it up here so we can get going. So it gives you your warnings about LiPo batteries. Okay. See, it already recognizes that there's a battery plugged up in port A and a battery in port C. And you go here to select. That's port A. It's telling you the voltage that's in the battery right now. Port B, there's nothing plugged up right now. Port C, it's something plugged up. And there's nothing in port D. Let's go back to port A. We click here. Let's click again. Okay, battery type, LiPo. It's a 3-cell LiPo. We want balance charge. So you can go through and change all of these. But then we want amps. I'm going to charge this battery at 1.5 amps, 1.5. But see, you can go up and down and pick the amperage you want. Let's get back. Okay, we're back at 1.5. I'm going to go to start. It's asking me, do I want all the ports to have the same amps going into the batteries? No. And there it goes charging. Let's go to port C where we have this 2-cell. Okay, it's reading the 2-cell. Let's click here. LiPo, yes. 2 cells. Balance charge. Let's go to amps. This may be a little much, but I'm going to charge it at 1 amp. Go down to start. Click it. And there it goes, charging. Now let's see, let me go back to ports. And so you can see I have port A charging and port C charging. Yep, that's about it of this little charger, just something to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this new little charger I have. I just wanted to share it with you guys. As always, don't forget, like, subscribe to my channel. See you guys next video.